Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Speak with Dre. I remain Andre, the certified relationship and marriage counselor, infidelity recovery specialist, and a well-being coach. So today's topic is basic, right? We're starting with 5 things that make your relationship or marriage work. It's not, you see, there are basic things that are not rocket science in any relationship or marriage. There are things that help both partners have the best type of relationship or marriage they desire or want. You see, I keep telling people this: whatever type of marriage you want, whatever type of relationship you want, you can have it. But are you ready to do the work? If you can and are willing to do the work, you will get the best results. So let's jump right into it. So 5 things that I'm going to be talking about, right? And in no particular order. Yeah. Apologies. Why do couples find it difficult to apologize to each other? Why? You've already done the hardest part of it. You've wooed this person. If you're dating this person already. And if you're married to this person already. So why have so much ego that you refuse to apologize when you are wrong? It doesn't take anything away from you, but instead it helps the other party understand that I know I wronged you. Apologize for hurting you. I am human. I'm willing to learn and be a better version of myself. That's all an apology does. And I am sure everyone wants to be the best version of themselves. So come on, guys. There's nothing wrong in apologizing when you have done something wrong. Okay? Number 2 I'm going to be picking on is physical touch. You see, physical touch does not necessarily mean sex all the time. No, it does not. Physical touch involves holding hands, hugging your partner, cuddling your partner, kissing, holding hands, taking a walk. That is physical touch. Now, physical touch increases the amount of oxytocin in the body, which is good for you. It calms you down, guys. So indulge in physical touches with your partner or your spouse. Alright, guys? The third one I am going to be talking about, in no particular order, is ending the day on a good note. I get it. You went to work, your boss stressed you out, you had a flat when you were coming back home, people were driving crazy on the highway. Yes, we understand that. But you see, when you get home, see, all that baggage, leave it at the door. Okay? Leave it at the door. Come in. Have a conversation with your spouse. Tell jokes if you can. If you can't, play a little music. Dance. There's nothing wrong with that. Always try to end the day on a good note. See, what that does is automatically when you wake up on the right side of the bed. You know, people keep saying right side of the bed, wrong side of the bed. It's what you end with that resonates in your mind till morning. If you go to bed worried, you would probably wake up with a headache or tired. But if you go to bed with the last memory being you dancing with your spouse or hugging your spouse, it works out perfectly. All right. Another thing is undivided attention. cannot emphasize this enough, and I don't understand why couples are present but not present in an instance. So you're sitting with your spouse to have that quality time, and this, oh, you should try to do this daily, on a daily basis. You should try to do this. Have conversations about how the day went. Put your phones aside, close your laptops, switch the TV off, let the kids go to bed, and you both just talk. In that moment, be present in that moment. Don't listen to judge. No, listen to understand how that person's day went, what trials they faced, and encourage them that yes, this happened, but you are there for them. You are your spouse's safe space. In case you guys don't realize that, that makes them want to always come home, regardless of whatever situation it is, because they know that undivided attention you will give to them. And the last, I guess, expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude daily is one of the most refreshing things you can do for not just yourself, but for your spouse. Telling them how much you value their input, their wisdom, their knowledge, their direction. It helps you build trust within yourselves. Telling your partner how you appreciate her for taking care of the kids, or you appreciate him for taking care of the kids, taking them to school, picking them up, making sure the house runs, making sure there's electricity, making sure there's internet. You see, as little as, oh babe, thanks for fueling my car. Please guys, this helps build intimacy, trust, affection. It helps build this in relationships and marriages. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna stop there. I said 5 things, right? So I'm just gonna end it. But you do not want to miss the next topic, because it's a myth buster. You know how people say, happy wife, a happy home. That necessarily is not true. But hey, I'm not gonna talk about it here. So tune into the next episode, and you get to find out what is and what is not. I remain Andre, the certified relationship and marriage counselor, an infidelity recovery specialist, and a well-being coach with Speakwithdre. See you on the next episode.